Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Mobility 316, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2017 Toyota Sienna L. This is a rear entry, brand new super wide conversion. You open up the hatch here, you got this 48-inch wide Freedom Motors super wide bariatric ramp here. And how we operate this, you got to pull the string down here with one hand, and then once you get it loose, you walk it back here, look here, and take it to the ground with one hand. I would estimate that weighs probably a good 10 pounds, 10, 15 pounds or so. So it's not super light, but as big as that ramp is, it is pretty light. So again, 48-inch wide, 1,000 pound weight capacity. One thing I like about these rear entries, if someone parks next to you in a side entry, you cannot get out of your van. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, including maybe even snow drifts this time of year. And they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the reasons I like this super wide 48-inch ramp. But we do sell side entries, so if you're interested in one of those, let me know. We can show you what we have. Now coming inside the van, we got 57 inches of room, and about 56 inches once you're inside the van. There's 2 tie-down points, 8 tie-down points. So you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney, or a stretcher. We've got our brand new Q-straight upgraded tie-downs in here. We've got 2 shoulder harnesses, one in the far back, one in the second row, so you can accommodate 2 wheelchairs. If you want to buy additional straps to get 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, let me know. We can accommodate that. We got about 29 inches of room between these seats up here. You got your rear air controls for the passengers in the back. As I go up in the front here, you can see the dash is in great shape. No cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera, dual climate control, rear air. Got all your Q-straight tie downs and information there. Got your cup holders here and your plug-ins for your electronics. So when you got everybody secure and fastened in, come on back out. Just simply reverse the process. Pick it up, fold it, give it a good slam in there, and it's ready to go. The Freedom Motor conversion here comes with a 1-year, 12,000 mile warranty on the conversion. It's got the alloy wheels. It's got Michelin tires on it. At the rear are darn near brand new Michelins. The front are about 7/32 Michelins. I'm going to have my guys rotate these tires. They must have forgotten. Hey, accidents happen, but I'm going to have them put the good tires 9/32 in the front and the ones that are about 7/32 in the back. So good name brand tire. Still quite a bit of tread left on them. Tires shouldn't be a problem for some time to come. Now, as I do the walk around to the van here, I'm looking for little nicks, dents, scratches. I do see some bug spots here. I can see we're covered up. Rock chips were covered up with little small dots of touch-up paint. And I'm not trying to represent this van as brand new or perfect. I'm trying to show it's got dozens of little rock chips here in the front. See that discoloration of the brand new paint on there. You probably wouldn't notice if I didn't tell you about it. But every vehicle that's 7 years old, it's going to have a few small blemishes in it at least. But the only difference is I'm honest enough to tell you about them. So don't punish me for being honest. I'm out here making this video trying to be as honest and fair as I possibly can. Little touch up there, a couple inches. And make sure no matter who you do business with, that you get a video of the VIN number. Why a video? Not just a picture, a video. Because a lot of people are taking this van, that's well over $50,000, and they're taking my pictures off my website. They're posting them on Craigslist and Facebook, and they're advertising this van for $12,000. No way, not going to happen. But what they're trying to get you to do is send them a deposit to hold the van. Once you send that money, you'll never hear from them again. They'll disappear off the face of the earth, and the police will not help you. So if you said to this person, hey, send me a video of this VIN number, they couldn't do it because this van is here in Kansas with me, not wherever they are scamming, probably some other country, some offshore account. Don't get scammed. Demand the video of that VIN number. Also, what we do with that VIN number, we run a Carfax on every one of our vans. You can see Carfax is one owner. It's got minor damage previously. I'll show that to you. Commercial vehicle. I like commercial vehicles. It means they've been adult driven, haven't been smoked in, no pets, no kids. Hey, I love pets and kids as much as the next person, but I know they can take a toll on the interior of a vehicle. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and no total loss. So this is not one of those super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a one owner with a clean title. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, odometer's accurate, and no open recalls. As we scroll down, it does show in January of 2019, so over 4 years ago, had damage to the front. It was minor. It says minor damage is usually cosmetic, including dents or scratches to the vehicle body. So I'm not afraid to buy a 7-year-old vehicle that might have had a bumper painted or someone bumped into it in a parking lot. Definitely no major damage. And no matter who you do business with, find them online. Check out their reputation. Find us on eBay. 1,502 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. That's 100%. I would say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they're a real company. Make sure you're not getting scammed. Check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. You know, I hear people all the time. They talk to me about how they bought from a private individual off Craigslist or Facebook. They got a van that they couldn't get a title for because it was maybe stolen, or they get scammed, or they buy a vehicle that's had a major flood damage, you know, or they buy from one of these dealers online, and they didn't even bother taking 30 seconds to get on Google and check out the reputation and reviews. I know there's a company down in Atlanta. They got two out of 5 stars. There's one up in New Jersey has like 1.9 out of 5 stars, just selling complete junk. So, you know, if you want 2-star vans with 2-star service, you give them a call. If you want 5-star service with 5-star vans with somebody that's been doing this for a dozen years, I would look forward to working with you. All right, back to the van. We've got the 3 keys and 2 fobs. Got the keyless entry. As I get inside the van here, I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. You know, for being 2017, this interior is super clean. Sliding doors in the back. It's got these jump seats back here. It's got this kind of vinyl material. It's almost, it might even be leather. It's real nice material, but those are nice and easy to clean up if you get a spill or a mess on. And up at the conversion here, it does taper. See how the angle's out there for the wider chairs? It does taper to about 38 inches here. So the channel going up from here is about 38 inches. So if you have a chair that's wider than 38, it's going to have to be in the back of the van, but we'll still accommodate the super wide bariatric chairs. And 38 is a very large chair in itself. Okay, and then as we go to start the van up, see, it fires up like a well taken care of Toyota. Got a full tank of gas in it currently, and you can see the miles, 22,340 original miles. Got our backup camera here, and I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've checked all the power mirrors and windows, and I'm going to show you those working right now. Show you the mirror over there. Check the power locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Replace fluids as necessary. My point is, and I hope you can tell this by our video, we're very thorough in everything we do. We do not just throw these vans through the car wash and put them on the website. They go through very thorough inspection before they hit our lot. Underneath the hood, we have a 3.5 V6 engine. Idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten as I crawl underneath the van. Much of the same. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or any kind of fluid leaks. No signs of any water damage or any rust, you know, from being in a flood or being up north. And that's the number one mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it only has 22,000 miles on it, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's got a clean title. They assume it's never been in a bad accident. That is the most dangerous thing you can do. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. That's right. I don't care if it's a private individual. I don't care if it's another dealer. But what I want you to ask yourself, do they show me their reputation? Thousands of reviews and feedback online, so I know I'm buying from a reputable person. Do they show me a Carfax report, so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents, no flood damage? Do they get on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less detailed videos of the undercarriage, so I know I'm getting a vehicle that's got a good frame underneath it, no flood damage, you know, no bent frame? So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to a reputation, but when it comes to how thorough they are, it's showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please, please, please compare me to the competition. Now, you know what happens if you end up buying a vehicle, you know, on Facebook, say it's stolen, A, you can't get a title for it, B, you're going to have to get the vehicle back, you're going to be out the money, or you end up buying a vehicle that's got frame damage from a flood or an accident. It may not pass inspection in your state. If it won't pass inspection in your state, you just bought a van you can't even drive. So no matter who you buy from, demand 4 things. Demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around. Tell them to get out there and put their heart and soul into it like I do every single one of my videos, so you know exactly what you're getting. Second, demand a Carfax report. Not some cheap knockoff. Yeah, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but that's one of the advantages of buying from me. I'm the owner. I'm buying from the same perspective you are. I don't want just a piece of junk vehicle to throw on the lot and try and sell. And that's what a lot of the buyers, they just get paid by the number of vehicles they buy. They don't care if it's a good vehicle or not. They just buy it, they get paid, and move on. That's the advantage. Like I said, when you buy from me, I genuinely put time, my heart and soul into every single one of the vehicles we buy. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. Put a little effort in to find out who you're buying from. And then finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty, good at any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. We stand behind our product. We make sure every single one of them comes with a warranty. So let's get it out for a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on a test drive. Give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Sienna home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. And if traffic permits, I'll see if I can zip her up to about, here we go, 70 miles an hour. Runs and drives darn like a brand new Sienna. Very nice. Steering wheel's nice and straight. No unusual vibration or noise. I got the cruise control set. Cruise works good. And do keep in mind, we do offer the complimentary 90-day warranty, but I do offer long-term warranties that go up to 8 years that are bumper-to-bumper type. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. And those warranties are nationwide coverage. And also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print is a $500 administrative fee. They got document fees. They got tag fees. They got freight. You name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all their hidden fees, by the time you add up the shipping costs, that real nice price you saw online, well, it just jumped $3,000 to $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about those hidden fees before you buy. Be sure to ask about the shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but what I can speak for, that in any business, but especially the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, because I want to be 100% transparent. So if someone's hiding something on the front end, there's a really good chance there's other things they're hiding on the back end. So be aware of that when you're out shopping. When I came down the ramp, nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking.
Range is in the area. It's C.
That radio works just fine. No unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to call or text us, here's my direct line, 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. You now have a direct contact to my cell phone. I challenge you to ask the competition, are they dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number? Or do you get to reach out, talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that super pushy used car salesman, give me a call, give me a text. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you I'm going to sell this Toyota whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do take trade-ins even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. And if computers aren't your thing, don't hesitate. Pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but there's a lot to cover. It's a major purchase, so I try to be as detailed and transparent as I possibly can. Give us a thumbs up, like here on YouTube. That would help us a lot. Give us a follow and subscribe to our channel if you'd like to be the first to see all of our upcoming inventory. And if you do want to come in, please make sure you make an appointment with us. I cannot stress this enough. People oftentimes just come in and I'm at auction or I'm helping another customer and they wasted their trip. Don't waste your trip. Make an appointment with us. We're happy to spend some time with you. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out check out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.